Long-time listener and still enjoy the kids year after year. This is next year is the year I've been waiting for since 2021. Bags are packed and ready. You are the true people's champ. Let's go.
Boom.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Somebody said I wanted to work with, I did want to work with SBF. I did, obviously. I thought he was going to help us fund our bill.
To help shape the policy, right?
Yeah. I was 50-50 on Sam. I always talked about I didn't like his hair, but I always said like I never felt like something sat right with me with this guy. And from the very beginning, I got to the point where I was okay with him because it just seemed like that was the, okay, well, here he is. This is the guy. And he's talking about good stuff, giving money. Okay, whatever, I guess. Exchange is doing well, so that was some evidence, but all that was fake, and we didn't know that. But it was through actually trying to get that policy funded from SBF that we learned about everything. That's how we figured it all out, guys. Look, I can't. The thing is the good guys and the bad guys, they look the exact same. The really good bad guys, they look the exact same as the good guys. And their tactics are the same because what the bad people do to try to get in contact with you or do whatever they're going to do are the same things that a good person does. Like, hey, why don't we go play date with the kids? Or, hey, you want to grab some coffee? We'll talk about man stuff, you know? They do the same things. But the bad people are trying to get in with you because they know that people accept more willingly things from friends or people they trust. So they try to move themselves in the position to get your trust to take advantage of you. And I think that that is basically what, a lot of people do. And I think that, that's kind of what Sam did with everybody. Sam got people's trust. He got people's trust over time, and then he absolutely wrecked it. We see it time and time again. So it is what it is. A U.S. representative criticized Gensler as most destructive SEC chair during hearing. Remember the 180s, Mr. X told us that the senior was out there doing work. SEC Chair Gary Gensler faced criticism for lawmakers during a House Financial Services Committee over his handling of crypto. He's like, what? Huh, what a fool. You made up the term crypto asset security. Who is this? This is Tom Emmer. $100,000 portfolio, what 5 coins, and top 25 to reach $1 million? So basically, Tom Emmer said, you made up the term crypto asset security. This term is nowhere to be found in statute, and you made it up and never provided any interpretive guidance on how crypto asset security might be defined within the walls of your SEC. He said the entire base for Gensler's enforcement crusade against crypto for the last 3 years. Let's see. The entire term was the basis for that. Up to last week when SEC lawyers retracted the term in a court footnote. They took away the term. But the point is, guys, you're continuing to see these 180s. Mr. X told you about this. You're hearing people singing a different tune now. And it's weird, isn't it? It's really interesting.